Have you ever wondered why Boeing's 787 Dreamliner is suddenly back in the spotlight, even though it has already been flying successfully for years? At first glance, many people believe Boeing has introduced a completely new and much bigger engine for the Dreamliner. Social media headlines certainly make it sound that way, but the real story is actually much more fascinating. Instead of designing an entirely new engine from scratch, Boeing and Rolls-Royce have quietly introduced one of the biggest durability upgrades ever seen for the Trent 1000 engine family. This upgrade is attracting the attention of airlines, aviation experts, and competitors because it addresses one of the largest challenges that has affected the Boeing 787 program for years. The question is simple. Why are industry experts calling this one of the most important improvements in recent commercial aviation history? Let's find out. When the Boeing 787 Dreamliner entered service, it changed long-haul aviation forever. Thanks to its lightweight composite fuselage, advanced aerodynamics, and fuel-efficient engines, airlines could fly longer routes while consuming significantly less fuel than previous aircraft generations. The Dreamliner quickly became one of Boeing's greatest commercial successes, with hundreds of aircraft operating around the world. However, every successful aircraft also faces engineering challenges, and for many Boeing 787 operators, one of the biggest concerns involved the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines. Early versions experienced durability issues that resulted in more frequent inspections and maintenance, creating unexpected costs and reducing aircraft availability for several airlines. Rather than abandoning the engine or designing an entirely new power plant, Rolls-Royce chose a different strategy. Engineers spent years studying how the engine performed in real airline operations. Every inspection, maintenance report, and flight hour produced valuable information that was carefully analyzed. Instead of making cosmetic improvements, they focused on redesigning the engine's most demanding internal components. The biggest improvement came through an advanced high-pressure turbine blade redesign. Engineers significantly increased the amount of cooling airflow inside the engine, reducing operating temperatures and dramatically improving long-term durability. According to Rolls-Royce, the upgraded design increases cooling performance by approximately 40%, while extending the engine's operational life far beyond earlier versions. This is where the new Trent 1000 XE standard enters the story. Although many headlines describe it as a new engine, that description is somewhat misleading. The Trent 1000 XE is actually the next production standard of the existing engine family. However, the improvements are substantial enough that many aviation analysts consider it almost like receiving a new engine without changing the entire architecture. Airlines purchasing new Boeing 787 aircraft equipped with the Trent 1000 XE receive an engine that benefits from years of engineering improvements, operational experience, and durability testing. Existing operators can also upgrade many engines already in service through retrofit programs, allowing current fleets to benefit from the latest technology without purchasing completely new aircraft. One of the most impressive claims surrounding the Trent 1000 XE is its dramatic increase in time on wing. In aviation, this term refers to how long an engine can remain installed and operating before requiring major maintenance. Every additional month that an engine stays in service translates directly into lower operating costs, fewer aircraft sitting on the ground, and higher profitability for airlines. Rolls-Royce says the new configuration is designed to deliver up to 3 times the time on wing compared with earlier Trent 1010 configurations under many operating conditions, representing a major improvement for airline economics. These improvements are especially important because the Boeing 787 competes in one of the most demanding segments of commercial aviation. Airlines operating long-haul international routes depend heavily on reliability. A single grounded aircraft can disrupt schedules across multiple continents, affecting thousands of passengers and costing airlines millions of dollars. Therefore, improving engine durability isn't simply a technical achievement, it becomes a direct financial advantage. This explains why airlines are watching these developments so closely. Another reason this upgrade matters is the intense competition between Rolls-Royce and GE Aerospace. Boeing 787 customers can choose between Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines and GE's GEnx engines. For several years, many airlines favored the GEnx because of its strong reliability record, while Rolls-Royce worked through earlier durability challenges. Now, with the Trent 1000XE improvements, Rolls-Royce is attempting to regain customer confidence by offering longer maintenance intervals, better reliability, and expanded global maintenance support. Industry experts believe this is about much more than simply upgrading an engine. It represents Rolls-Royce's effort to restore its competitive position in the wide-body aircraft market. The company has invested heavily in redesigning components, expanding maintenance facilities, increasing spare engine availability, and improving customer support worldwide. These investments aim to ensure airlines experience fewer operational disruptions while benefiting from predictable maintenance schedules and improved fleet availability. For Boeing, these improvements also strengthen the overall value of the Dreamliner program. Even though Boeing itself did not design the engine, having a stronger engine option makes the aircraft more attractive to future customers. Airlines purchasing new wide-bodied aircraft evaluate not only fuel efficiency and passenger comfort, but also long-term maintenance costs, dispatch reliability, and engine support. A more durable Trent 1000XE helps improve the Dreamliner's competitiveness in all of these areas. Ultimately, the biggest surprise isn't that Boeing suddenly launched a giant new engine. The real surprise is that years of quiet engineering work have transformed an existing engine into a much stronger, more reliable product. Sometimes the biggest breakthroughs in aviation don't involve dramatic new aircraft or revolutionary engine designs. Instead, they come from thousands of small engineering improvements that together deliver enormous benefits to airlines, passengers, and manufacturers alike. That is why the Boeing 787's latest engine upgrade is receiving so much attention, and why many experts believe it marks the beginning of a new chapter for one of the world's most successful long-haul aircraft.